Hi guys, it's very hot here in Jamaica, so let's go ahead and make some amazing sok using Kool-Aid and also some lemonade mix. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, tell your friends and your family members about Callie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's CallieKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Callie J's Kitchen. So in a large bowl, I'm gonna go in with my lemonade mix. Once I add my lemonade mix, I will also go in and add my granulated sugar, or you can simply go ahead and use brown sugar, and I will also go in and add my Kool-Aid mix. Now I'm using two different flavors of Kool-Aid mix because I like it. However, you can always go ahead and use any brand of Kool-Aid that you want to use or any flavor that you want to use. All right, once I add all of that goodness, combine everything together nicely, and of course I have some hot water that I'm gonna add to this. Now the reason for adding the hot water is that it helps my Kool-Aid and also the lemonade and the sugar to dissolve nicely. I'm always using brown sugar to make my sok, so today I'm using granulated sugar, and you guys can always go ahead and mix both sugar together if that's what you want to do. Once I add my hot water, I will use my spoon to just combine everything together nicely. And please note guys that I'm not adding a lot of hot water at once, just a small amount. Like I said, I want to ensure that my lemonade mix, my Kool-Aid and my sugar is dissolved nicely. Once they're dissolved nicely, I will go ahead and of course add more water to this. Now you can opt to add some more hot water if you have hot water, or you can go ahead and add some cold water. However, you want to ensure that you do not add too much of that hot water, and it should look something like this. Now all of these ingredients that I'm using today, you can get it at your local supermarket or grocery shop. Remember to be creative, remember to be you in the kitchen, and most of all, utilize whatever you have at home. You can visit your local corner shop, and of course you get most of these items there as well. So once you add all of that water, you just use your spoon. You can opt to use a bigger spoon if you have a bigger spoon at home to just combine everything together nicely. And remember to always taste, just in case you need to add a little bit more sugar. All right, now I'm gonna go in and of course get my plastic bags, and I'm just gonna fold them up to the desired amount that I want in the bag. And of course we're gonna go ahead and knot the top of our bag. Now it's very hot here, like I said in the video, hot in Jamaica, so you can always go ahead and prepare this for your entire family. You just put it in the fridge for roughly about 6 to 8 hours, and then you just go ahead and serve it up. If you're having a party, you can always go ahead and prepare these amazing sok and serve them to the kids. The kids will love them, trust me. They will appreciate them, and it will just help to cool down your body a bit. So once you're finished, we're gonna go ahead and pack them up in a large container, and then we're going to pop them in the fridge and allow them to just come together, make ice for roughly about 6 to 8 hours. Now you can always go ahead and add some fruits if you want to add fruits to this, or you can simply use pineapple or any other fruit that you have. You can go ahead and blend it up and just pour some into it, and this is it. So pop this in the fridge, and after 8 hours I will show you what it looks like. So we're all finished, sok ready to go, ready to heat, ready to just cool me down for the day. So I'm just gonna put them in a large container again so that my family can come and just take one and go. And if there's any leftover, I'll just put it back in the fridge. And basically this is it. So I hope you guys enjoy today's recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and remember to turn on your post notification bell. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye guys, and thank you again for watching.